technology is evolving faster than ever. Every day, new AI tools, websites, and digital solutions are changing the way we work, learn, and create. But with so much information out there, it can be difficult to know what's actually useful and what's just hype. That's why I created Mr. Faisal. On this channel, you will discover powerful AI tools, useful websites, productivity tips, and step by step tech tutorials designed to help you save time, learn faster, and stay ahead. Whether you are a student, creator, freelancer, professional, or simply curious about technology, you will find practical content that you can start using right away. My goal is simple: to make AI and technology easy to understand, easy to use, and useful in everyday life. No complicated jargon, no unnecessary hype, just clear explanations, real examples, and smart digital solutions. So, if you want to learn smarter, work faster, and stay ahead in the digital world, subscribe to and join me on Mr. Faisal. Let's learn, solve, and grow together.